Komisi Bentah ban Bishar penyak ya ka ain bala menjer bat pediang da ka Sarkar Jila ban khang persya ya ki nong mikmat pajba bakin bat atli gi kam kum UMLA bat MDC ya ka beratip kum ka Prevention of Disqualification Members of Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya Amendment Bill Ar-Hajar Khatsan nakaliang UMLA bat MDC ka Mausan Ram constituency badairu akajuk por CM ka KHDC uba pencengan NCM u lalet bini kendu ya ulat ka Jila u Vishan Munganathan ban kerpat eu ba unam pediang ya kini ka an hadin ke jingwani kendu ya ulat uba pencengai lo ong ba sarkar kalawan ra kini ka an kadai dien berlami ke isu jong kirang ba snong ya ke bakum ka council kam kwa ba ya kini ka kam untuk kelar ka sarkar hakju ka por loko ba sarkar Jila kamla ban weng ya una ka kam ka bobat kum CM ni kum MDC
kumbangan repeat yang sacisin kani katem ka benda kam di katem ka ban kong ku MLA MDC kali katem bar ngalong MLA artem minta MDC artem minta baraka bang finally ka nomination MDC nama ka entry line ka sha ya nga bang MDC bat MLA ni so thuru akhiri khindiat sni hadin ka jingni jong ki issue rang basnong bat ka issue ka bede bat ka encouragement jong ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority ilaron ka jingi keren na parok kiliang but daga jitri lang bat barok kirang basnong idor basnong ki right ki hima ila ban yang menteri kam ban ra ay ka bil bede bat kirang basnong la yo ban syong bot chief minister bagi minister bangin nang ya pechwai ki kor kislag babyang la ka don em ka concern sinful tenre bang susi ka longba apdeng ka bangin nang yai ba ka cordial coordination na penting kan sana ka apa adrik ka kabinet karai ban ra ay ka Amendment Bill. Arpo lai ki introduce, arpo saw ki pas, ka iga bang maap diang. Ngaklamnya kan unu ka balong something wrong. Ngahaban stand on mayong. Ngastan on mayong namarba. Ngasno bang amdi mga uba, lihat kan unu ka mabakla. Ada kila ada alap yang ada gadungan yang ada kat saw. Kuma mentapin dulu dua ita. Kabar. Kai kabang isu thamla ko long ba. Kumnu lawan ra ya ka anong ban enforce ya ka sitri ju motobar haka ba ka jing shaw gobro wa ban study ya ka wa ban semen ya ka wa ban pet ya ka kam tam belong very sensitive issue ka bang itip ba bagi ba ko mentagi don haka issue mdai ban na hidon halo ki issue ngawon ko bonon mdai on my behalf hadi for the interest of the people based on issue this council is under the section this council is not under the government. It is not under the government. It is under the section of the Constitution. Are we appointed by the government, or are we elected by the people? Are we carrying the duty and function of the government, or are we carrying the duty and function of the section? To say that MDC is a profit is an office of profit, very wrong. We are not in the government. We are not appointed by government. Government can remove me from the chair as the CM. Government cannot remove me from the MDC because we have been elected by the democratic system of the state and the country as a whole. I feel that we MDC, we are not on the office of profit.